everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making some beautiful fabric and seed bead tassels using John Bead check seed beads. I love John Bead. They make beautiful beads and you should definitely check out their website if you like to do beadwork like I do. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some fabric and beaded tassels. In Egypt and Mesopotamia, tassels were worn as amulets on headdresses to protect the wearer from evil spirits. Archaeologists have unearthed tassels in the tombs of Egyptian pharaohs dating back thousands of years. The young Egyptian pharaoh Tutankhamun was unearthed wearing tassels around his neck. In ancient Rome, tassels, which comes from the Latin word tasso, meaning a clasp at the garment's neck, became popular in 330 AD when Byzantine Roman Emperor Constantine issued a decree that all Christians should be properly clothed. The story of Czech glass beads begins in the 3rd century BC when Celtic craftsmen began to produce the first glass beads in Bohemia, now known as the Czech Republic. I'm going to leave a link for John Bead and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you next week. Bye.